So girls, as I told you girls, that nowadays for the measurement of mass or weight of an object, the digital balances are used. Okay, but girls, in early time, the mass of an object was determined, that was measured with the help of physical balance. Okay, and as I told you girls, that this is the process of comparing the mass of two bodies. Okay, one is known object, mass of known object, and another one is the mass of unknown object. Okay, and girls, a physical balance is a very sensitive common balance, okay, which can measure the weight in milligram. Okay, so physical balance is just a common balance where there are two pens, okay, and you measure the weight of one object by putting it in one pen and a known object in other pen. Okay, so suppose if we take an example of, suppose we want to measure the weight of a stone. Okay, so whenever we want to measure the weight of a stone with the help of physical balance, okay, so we need some known masses, some known weight of an object. Okay, so known weights are placed in one pen and unknown objects are placed, unknown object is placed in another pen. Okay, so when these two pen are balanced, okay, and suppose suppose in this pen unknown object is placed, and as I told you, suppose a known object is placed in this pen. Okay, so there is a plumb line. Okay, as you can see that this is the plumb line. Okay, so with the help of plumb line we can balance these two pen. When these two pens are at equilibrium position, okay, so then we can determine the weight of unknown object. Okay, first suppose the weight of unknown object is suppose 30 gram. Okay, so and suppose this the 30 gram is unknown, so first we add 5 gram in this pen, then 10 gram, and suppose these two are still unbalanced. Okay, so we add the known mass till that these two pen are at equilibrium position. The point at which these two pen are equilibrium position, then we can determine, or then we are able to find the mass of known weight. Okay, so this is all about the physical balance. Okay, the next one is girl stopwatch. As topic is stopwatch, and this topic is given in your book on page number 21. Okay, what is stopwatch, girls? The time measuring device is simply known as stopwatch. Okay, the time measuring devices are simply known as stopwatch. Okay, definition is given, girls. The duration of specific interval is measured by a stopwatch. Okay, so whenever we want to measure the specific interval, so we commonly use stopwatch. Okay, girls, there are two types of stopwatch. One is known as the mechanical stopwatch and the second one is known as the digital stopwatch. Okay, mechanical stopwatch is also known as analog stopwatch. Okay, and the second one, as I told you, second one type of stopwatch is known as the digital stopwatch. Okay, first I will tell you about the mechanical stopwatch and then we will discuss about digital stopwatch. Okay, mechanical stopwatch consists of two hands. Okay, a small minute hand and a long second hand. Okay, and digital stopwatch consists of two buttons. Okay, one top button is there are two buttons. One top button is used to start and stop the timer running. Okay, and this button and the second button is used to reset the stopwatch. Okay, so what is mechanical stopwatch? As I told you girls, that mechanical stopwatch consists of two hands. Okay, basically girls, mechanical stopwatch consists of a circular dial or circular dial on which circular scales is given. Okay, which has a knob. As you can see girls, this is the mechanical stopwatch which consists of a circular dial. Okay, and on this circular dial a knob is present. Okay, this knob is used to start and stop the timer running. Okay, and this is also used to reset the stopwatch. Okay, so girls, when we as you can see girls, as I told you that it consists of two hand, one is small minute hand and another one is long second hand. Okay, inside this large circular dial, as you can see, a small another circular dial is also given. Okay, girls, this scales 30, 31, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 14, 16. These readings are given for the second. Okay, when we measure the time period in second. Okay, and girls, inside this small scale, this small dial, the readings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This time, this scale, these readings indicate the time periods in minute. Okay, so when we measure the time period for any object. Okay, so first we press this knob. Okay, so first knob, for the first pressing of knob is used to start the time intervals, timer running. Okay, and then when we press again this knob, so then the timer running stops. Okay, and when we press it again third time, so then this stopwatch reset. Okay, secondly girls, one uh, one rotation of one rotation of second hands. Okay, one rotation of second hand is equal to 30 second. Okay, so two rotation of second hand is equal to 60 second. So when this second hands complete their two rotations, then the time period will be 1 minute. Okay, and when this second hand complete their four rotation, then the time period will be 2 minutes. When it again complete six rotation, then time period will be 3 minutes. So it's mean two rotation of second hands is equal to 1 minute. Okay, and girls, the least count of mechanical stopwatch is equal to what? That is equal to 0.1 second. Okay, nowadays girls, digital stopwatch is more commonly used. Why? Because the accuracy of digital stopwatch is maximum as compared to the mechanical stopwatch. Okay, another one type of stopwatch is known as the digital stopwatch. Okay,